Good job. Yep. Throw it in. Good job.
Everything opposite is so pretty it is. Oh my god. I'm rubbing this man. Yeah man, trouble. I'll rub it in. Massage it the realest way. Babe.
What?
Oh my god, you always kill me, man.
What did I do now?
Nice. Lovely. Look at that, guys. Fricassee.
So guys, my daughter and her boyfriend just gave me an early birthday present because I'm going away. Gosh, I'm so blessed. Okay, what letter are you tracing right now?
Letter A.
Right, and A is for what?
And an A for apple.
Good job. Okay, up, down, perfect. Do this one the same way you did that one. Show mommy. Come on, I believe in you. You got this. Straight up. Oh, that's so wonderful. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Good job. Now come all the way down to the bottom. Come down, straight. Oh my goodness, Rajero, you're doing wonderful. Okay, lift the pencil off the paper. Now draw. Yes! Oh, high five!
Yeah.
See? Mommy knew you could do it, baby. Mommy knew you could do it. I am so proud of you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I've never in my life drew an A like that. Oh, you're doing a little baby A. Yep, but instead of the line going that way, do the line straight. Okay, trace mommy's. Do a circle and a line attaching to the circle. There you go. Great job. And then go down. Okay, that's an A. Good job. Do it again, Papa. Do it again.
Yeah.
It's a circle. There you go. Great job. And then you do your line down. Good job. That's a small A. Hey guys. It's Rajero's first visit to the doctor. It's cold out today. Freezing. So it's just for a meet and greet today. Say hi to the people. Say
Hi.
good morning.
Hi, people.
Say good morning. Say good morning. Oh, I guess he doesn't want to say good morning. It's early. I'm so tired. He went to bed late last night. He was up late.
Huh?
Yeah, so first doctor's visit. We're so fortunate here to have a doctor. I didn't have a doctor for the first, I don't know, 3-4 years. And then, yeah, Dr. Chitty took me on. So I was so grateful. And then he took Akeen on. And now, of course, Rajero.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29,
30!
30. And that's enough.
Just to let you all know, his doctor is from Nigeria. So he has a doctor that's African descent.
Mommy,
Yes, my lovey.
can you turn on the car?
Yes, in a minute, okay? Mommy's just vlogging right now. Just hold on. I want to show everybody what I bought you. So, guys, after our doctor's appointment, oh, I just want to, we just came from Staples and I bought some stuff for him for help him learn. But I just want to let you guys know. So in the comments, people are saying, like, make sure we get him around people his own race and stuff like that. So, so his doctor is Nigerian, so he's African descent. And also, I do bring him around other children that are African descent, but I don't put them on the YouTube channel, right? Like he has a little girl, my daughter Jessica babysits a little girl from Africa, and she had a birthday party, so he went there, and he was really getting along really good and hanging out with this little boy. I believe he was either from Nigeria or Kenya or something like that. So they were playing the whole time at the birthday party. But I'm not going to put stuff like that on my YouTube channel. So just to let you guys know, our boy is being around other people of African descent. I haven't found any children around here yet that are Jamaican. But eventually, hopefully, you know, he'll maybe meet another little Jamaican boy or girl. But right now it's mostly Nigeria or Kenya or Zimbabwe and stuff like that, right? But at least they do resemble him and look like him, so it's not like it's all Caucasian or white people. So anyways, I just wanted to clear that up because we love you and we want to keep you in the loop for everything. And yeah, sometimes it's hard to remember to tell you guys everything, and you only see little bits and pieces of our life, right? So, and I do really appreciate the concerns and the opinions and the suggestions and all of that. So anyway, our little boy is very, very bright, very smart. He remembers so much. Like, he knows the Our Father. He knows the Lord is my shepherd from beginning to end. He knows all his alphabets. He can count to pretty much 100. There's a few numbers that he might miss, but I just help him with them. But anyway, the writing part of it, the mechanic, you know, like he can hold a pencil. His mom in Jamaica showed him how to do that, and he does really well. But just doing his A and his B, the straight lines and stuff like that. So what I did today was I went to Staples and I did get some stencils to help him with his letters and numbers. And I got him an Etch-a-Sketch. This would help him, you know, with his motor, you know, skills. And I got him bigger crayons, so they're easier to hold and control when he's coloring. And I did get him some Play-Doh, so we're going to make shapes and stuff like that with that. I'm also going to take him to the beach and in the sand, get him to do his letters that way. If you guys have any other suggestions, please feel free to let me know. But yeah, I'm going to try to get a big easel as well. And with these big crayons, get him to do like the letter B. I don't want to put it on the wall because I'm scared he might start drawing on the wall. So I want to get a big easel or like a chalkboard of some sort. Because of my asthma, I'm not going to get a chalkboard, but like a big easel with papers. I'm on the hunt for that. Or even one that he can use with erasable markers or something. Anyway, I'll find something. Maybe you guys have a suggestion. I don't know. Just to help him more with his letters. I find he does a lot of circles and, you know, not really like the triangle or the square or his letter A. You know, I find he's really struggling with that. So even though we're working at it all the time, I feel like he's not catching it. So I know everyone learns at their own rate, and he's very, very bright and very smart. But just thinking of different ways to get him to, you know, at least be introduced to it, right? He's going to be 4 in March, so in a couple of months, and he's definitely very, very bright for his age. And we're also helping him with speaking because a lot of people don't know what he's saying. So we're teaching him how to say the F, right? Instead of, because he'll say porty and piff, like he'll do a P instead of 40 and 50. So we're teaching him that, but that all will come, I know, with time. And also his THs like this and that, 30 and stuff like that. So those are the kind of things that we are working on him now. I do give him vitamins. I give him the fish oils, the omega-3, which is DHA and EP. I don't know the letters, and I do give him a multivitamin. I make sure he is eating some candy right now, but I do make sure, and I don't always have him on my vlogs, but he eats brown rice, spinach, broccoli, carrots. He eats ginger, garlic, onion, cloves, cinnamon, you know, all kinds of stuff like that that are very, very healthy. Fish and chicken breast and sourdough bread, and I just don't give them any type of bread. It's usually gluten-free or sourdough, or, you know, and so we do actually give him a very, very good diet, even though he loves dumplings and stuff like that. And once in a while we'll take him out and he'll have french fries or some candy, but very, very seldom. It's just a treat. Like he likes bananas. He loves them. He asks for them all the time. And a bear paw. I make sure I get him like oatmeal bear paw or the ginger bear paw. And, you know, very, very seldom he'll eat that as well, just as a treat. But he doesn't eat even a piece of chocolate. I'll give him dark chocolate, a little piece of dark chocolate, because he loves chocolate. So yeah, we're really trying our best, you know. I mean, yeah, we're gonna treat ourselves once in a while and that, but mainly we try to focus on, and his juice, guys, I don't give him, like, the juice that he has is 100% pineapple juice or 100% blueberry juice, and I put a little bit of water in with it. I do the 100% cranberry raspberry juice, and I fill his cup halfway and then the rest with water, so he doesn't get a lot of sugar at all. And yeah, so we're really, really trying to focus on a good, healthy diet for him. And now that my knee is better, we're getting him out. We were out earlier. I didn't get it because he was on the phone with his mom, but he was out in the playground. He was on his scooter. And look, guys, it is gorgeous and beautiful in Campbell River today. So we are leaving tomorrow night. Well, not tomorrow night. We're going to bed tomorrow night, and then we're getting up really early in the morning. And we'll be going to Vancouver, so I'm excited. We're going to be vlogging that. We're going to have first time on the boat and everything. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm ready.
All right. Are you helping Mom with the garbage?
Yeah.
Okay. Good boy. We got lots of boxes, eh? So guys, we were outside. He was on the scooter, and I didn't get that on here. He was at the playground. We have a beautiful day here in Campbell River. And now I got to work on worship music.
This is no.
Yeah, number one, yeah. And yeah, because we're leaving for Vancouver. Not tomorrow, but the next day. Well, when we go to bed tomorrow night, we get up really early. Be careful, honey. Really early to go. So, yeah, we're going to the garbage. You know where the garbage is. There you go. Let's go all the way down to the garbage. Good job. Mommy's little helper. So guys, in the car he was using the Etch-a-Sketch that I bought him, and he was loving it. So that's a hit. We'll take that to Vancouver with us when we go. Hold on, let me, I'll get it. So here we do the cardboard over in the green, and the garbage goes in the blue. Good job. Yep. Throw it in. Good job. There you go. Yep.
This one is going to go.
Yep, there you go. You got it. Up higher. There you go. Sweet. Okay, Mommy will get that one because it's really heavy. Here, you hold the camera. Here, hold the camera.
Okay.
Put it on Mommy like this. Oh, look, there's our friend. Hold it on. Hold it. Keep a hold of it. Oh, wow.
This is Bella who's walking with my girl.
Oh, wow.
So guys, as I was out putting garbage in, one of my neighbors came and started talking to me and just telling me some things that was going on with her son, and I guess she really she's in a bind and she needed some cash for gas. So I'm gonna go get her some money. I'm not saying this because I want to get any credit or anything. I'm saying that, I'm telling you this for this reason. We have to help others. If we have it, if we have the means to do so, we have to help others. Because that woman, she said she was so embarrassed. She lives in my building, I know her really well. And you know what? I'm so happy that I never have cash, and I actually have cash, and I'm gonna go give her to her right now for gas in her vehicle. So I'm just saying, we have to help others, guys, and tell them it's okay. Don't feel embarrassed. I'm just glad I have it to help you. So I'm gonna bring it down to her now. So I went down and gave my neighbor some money. I feel good. Today is a good day. I'm really excited. So now I'm gonna go work on worship music. Babe's gonna come out and cook some chicken or something, I don't know, fricassee or something, so stay tuned. Can you show Mommy the heart that you made? Look, where's the heart? I don't think you even know you made a heart. Do you know where the heart is? Did you make all this?
Yeah.
Look, do you know what this is? Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's hard.
Yeah, did you make that?
Yeah.
Good job, guys. I just came out and this is all what he got made. And he was drawing lines on his Etch-a-Sketch. So far, 2 of the things I bought. We didn't get a chance to try the stencils yet, but he's really enjoying playing with the Play-Doh, making shapes. And so this is good to bring to Vancouver with us. I wasn't even thinking, but he can use this in the car. Good job. Guys, I've always had such a negative experience with Play-Doh. I did not want to get him Play-Doh. But look, there's nothing on the floor. And wow, he did a bunch of shapes and then he just piled it all up. Wow, wow, wow. I'm so excited that I got him this. So, something else for him to do. So babe, what is it you're doing with the chicken today? All this beautiful chicken.
Babe, we have some fricassee today. Guys, fricassee is on the menu today. You have them chicken, I'm gonna buy these chicken in Superstore for a minute. I think I get them on sale. I think it should officially be breast. And for some reason, the tag said breast, but these are leg and thigh, so I think I'm gonna stew them down, fricassee them.
Okay.
So you guys just stay tuned for that.
Alrighty then.
Work on them, you know what I like. You don't like too much skin.
I made supper last night, but we didn't vlog it, but I just love it when Babe cooks. Then it gives me a little break.
Don't worry, baby, I got you. So guys, I add some browning, a little bit of browning, because I don't know where to make I'll make the pan brown them chicken halfway. Ooh, that look like a too much too. Add a little bit of pimento seed and some chicken.
So, can I see the pimento seed for a second? Some people, if you don't know, Jamaicans love pimento seed. What it is allspice.
Like a spice, yeah.
It's allspice.
Look how complete this now. Add it to it. A little black pepper. Guys, we have my natural seasoning here. I'm gonna cut these up and add it to it. Okay, you don't want fricassee chicken, right? So I think I'm gonna do some mashed potato today. I don't want any rice. I'm trying to stay away from the rice for now. So I'm gonna add these to it and then, you know, rub it in and then catching a look back from this.
And you know, we do have brown rice, babe, which is really healthy too. If you ever wanted to do rice, but do a...
Doesn't want any rice right now.
Yeah.
Guys, everything opposite is so pretty it is. Oh my god. I'm rubbing this, man. Yeah, man. Trouble. Rub it in. Massage it the realest way. Nice. Pretty. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. So what I look for, you know. Nice. All of my herbs and spices is in it. This way I look for, you know. So I'm gonna make them for Fridays dry and then we'll cook them down. Beautiful. Cook them down in a nice sauce. Look at that, man. Oh my god. Woo. Look at that. Beautiful. Guys, it's time for the meat, you know. You know what? Better throw in these first, baby. Then I want bubble. Bubble in a trouble. Guys, I'm gonna do some sweet potato and Irish potato mash today. That's what's gonna happen. I'll probably put these two also. Yeah. That's what we're gonna eat. And then I'm gonna start with these now. The chicken them well seasoned already. Ooh. You know, there's something I want to ask you.
What's that?
This comes to my brain, guys. This comes to my mental, and I think I want to ask my wife.
What's that?
You raise how much? Like 3 kids?
Oh my goodness.
4 kids?
I helped raise a lot.
You help raise a lot of kids. But
I was a foster mom. My first okay, so before I met my husband, like I said, I babysat kids all the time, like all the time.
yeah.
And then I met my husband, and he had a daughter, Kristen, who's still my stepdaughter and calls me mom today.
Yeah, of course.
And then he had another daughter that he thought was his, and I raised her for 6 years. And then we had another little boy that we helped raise,
Yeah, so,
foster kids, all kind. I don't know.
I
too
mean,
many
that's
to-
in stages, I think. That's in stages, right? So
yeah, too many to
the
mention.
question I
right?
wanted to ask is, do you think in your time raising kids there is favoritism? Like, do you think you love a child more than one? Like, if we should be real with ourselves,
Yeah,
you think you love one or love 2 more than the others, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So the reason why I asked that is, it came to me, and like while I was growing up, guys, I was being mistreated by my dad a little. So, but it was evident that he showed the love more to my brother and my sister more. You understand what I mean? And with my mom, she would show me that extra love. You understand? And then she would be blunt with it to say, hey, listen, I love you more. So it don't matter who loves you less or show you less love, I love you more. So it just came back to me for me to ask babe the same question as in, What do you think? Do you think because then guys, I have one kid, right? So I don't have any choice than to love him more. I don't know, like, I wouldn't know the difference as to love another kid more than the other, right? So because I only have one, so that's why I came to the realization, and I said, let me ask babe. But babe, what do you think would cause you to love one kid more than the other?
Well, okay, let's say for instance because right now,
Yeah.
Kristen knows me and Kristen's like this.
Yeah.
That's my ex-husband's
Daughter.
daughter. But when she was small, let's say like 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
even though we were close back then, she was closer to her father. So
And naturally, girls love their dad
your
more.
dad's
Yeah,
more,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So, and I was the strict one, and she loved me, don't get me wrong. It was, but now, I mean, me and Kristen are like best friends now. She's living in Bahamas, I go visit her, But anyway, when she was younger, I also raised a girl named Justine, who we found out later on wasn't my ex-husband's daughter. But anyway, she was just more loving and clinging to me, like always up in my arms and loving me, whereas Kristen was more for her dad.
For her dad,
I'm not saying I loved Justine more than Kristen, but it was like Justine was always, Jennifer, always hugging me, always on my lap, always, we'd go somewhere, she'd want to hold my hand, we'd lay in the bed, she'd want to cuddle me, stuff like that, right? So, but then, like I said, Kristen was always in the picture. Justine was only in the picture for 6 years. As Kristen got older and everything, we were inseparable. Like, she loves me, and we're very close. So it's kind of not fair to say that I love Justine more, but in that time,
you were more attracted.
Young.
Yeah.
I was in my young 20s, right? Like, and this little girl Kristen was so much for her father, and of course her mom was in the picture. So I'm just this girlfriend, coming along, and but then Justine came in the picture, and she was just loving right on me, like, oh my goodness.
Guys, so I can tell you guys, the first time my wife met my kid, it was something to like really look on and be like, oh my God, this. And I knew from the first time we went to Jamaica, I knew he was gonna come, you know what I mean? Because at that time I made the necessary preparation for him to come already. And when we were leaving, my wife was literally crying because she's like, I wish he could come now. And I'm like, babe, he's gonna come. He's just gonna take some time for his papers to process, right? But guys, the first time they were so attached, man. Like, it was crazy. It was my son. It never, like, we practice a culture like we don't kiss our boys or whatsoever. But I don't care. Like, my son, I hold him and kiss him every day, just to show him that love, because I never get that when I was growing up, right? So I'm ensuring that my son doesn't miss out on none of that. But he never even give me a kiss at the time. But he hold my wife and he kiss her every day. It was something to die for him, and I'm like, wow, if this is the relationship they have, trust me, I'm all down for it. And it was just something to. When I see them, it melts my heart. And see, now they reunite, and it's just something to die for. Oh my God, he loves her so much.
When he sleeps at night, like, he'll be sleeping and he touches me, and then he's either gonna have his arm on me or his leg on me. But
this little boy is something.
I was gonna say, in my previous relationship before Akeen, I helped raise 2 other children, and like one of the children were more hugging and loving on me than the other ones, so you kind of tend to get more affectionate to that person. So I don't know why. Maybe were you not affectionate?
I don't know.
Your dad?
So guys, I was the middle child. So my father got 3 of us. My mom got 6 of us, but the 3 last one is my brother, me, and my sister. So I was in the middle of that. And I don't know. I wasn't his best. But you know what? I never hold that against him. Like, you know, God bless me enough so that I can take care of my dad. Up to now, I'm still taking care of him, and you know what I mean. It's like the what you'd say, the cycle change, the wheel change, and I never hold nothing against him, and I felt like that's the reason why I am so blessed. You know what I mean, and always reaching to newer heights, because like I would never make nothing kind of block my heart from my blessing them. You know what I mean? And that's really a good thing, you know what I mean? So yeah.
But my three that I so I raised Kristen pretty well all her life, me and her mom and dad, and then my daughter Jessica, and then my son Corey that passed away.
Yeah.
But with three of those, I have a favorite. I loved all three of them the same. Like, you know, when I raised Kristen, Corey, and Jessica, I loved each and every one of them. Even though Jessica was mine out of my belly, I love them.
You have to tell the viewers that the two that you were comparing was the first two kids you started raising, and then
yeah, well, Justine, we found out when Justine was 6 that she wasn't robbed, so we didn't even see her no more after she was 6. Yeah, so we were really close, like really close, and then we found out she wasn't robbed, so her mom and her moved away, and I never did see her again. Yeah, and I mean, I was really close with every child that was ever in my life, so yeah, but Corey and Kristen and Jessica were the three, of course, that I continued to, you know.
Yeah, guys, so you see, I'm getting them as crispy as possible because I need them. I need when I make my sauce and put them in, we're eating good, you know. So look at those, man. Oh my God, beautiful.
Are you playing with your Play-Doh again?
Yeah.
Yeah. You glad Mommy bought you some Play-Doh? Yeah. Wow. What are you making? Dumpling? To go in this stew?
Yeah.
Or are you making legs for the octopus?
Yeah.
Guys, so this is a wifey preparing her music for church on Sunday. Y'all know she's the leader.
Not this Sunday. This Sunday we're going to Vancouver. Next Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next
But when we
Sunday.
get back, I won't have any time to do it, so I have to do it now.
Yeah, so you know it's everybody for themselves, so I gotta be in the kitchen cooking. She left the camera to me, so this is what's going on in the kitchen, guys. Chicken I fry up. Put up on the last, and now these actually finished. So now we go crush them there. And we have the last set frying up, so stay tuned for it. Chicken them pretty, man. Look at that. How long when I eat fricassee, guys? Yeah, beautiful. Chicken them done. See it? Look how them nice. These now I'm gonna use and throw in yourself and get them all fried up. All of this, want a nice sauce first before me even put in the chicken them or nothing. Come like that potato. And then feed them the best way possible. So look at those over there, guys. Nice, beautiful, lovely. Right also. Ooh. Yeah, man, lovely. For those guys. Work on a bit. About that. And then we might add a little ketchup and get it going.
Okay, so what are you making? Mashed potato? Oh, sweet corn and everything. Yummy. Okay.
You're always coming late. Guys, I'm a video lady, you know, but I'm a video baby. Sorry, let me rephrase myself. It's my video baby, but she's always coming late.
I'm trying to get my worship done before we go to Vancouver.
Yeah,
So.
guy like me have to learn to be independent. Yeah, rely on my baby.
Looks good. But I am hungry. Oh my goodness. I'm so hungry. That looks
Guys,
so
this is
yummy.
for dinner today.
I'm excited. And then when I get back, it's all about eating healthy. Watching my cholesterol. Me and the cholesterol.
So some add the Irish and the potato them while this is go and simmer. So now it's time to add my chicken in. Leave this to go and simmer. The potato whole heating.
So this is called chicken fricassee.
Yeah, fricassee chicken.
Fricassee.
Fricassee.
Yeah. My dad used to say all the time, I used to say, Dad, like when I was a little girl, right? Dad, what are you cooking? He said, oh, I'm just cooking up a fricassee.
Yeah.
But I don't think he knew what fricassee really was. I think our fricassee and his fricassee were
Different?
two different fricassees.
I think fricassee is basically cooking everything like a one pot. Like.
Yeah. I think that were, yeah. So in Newfoundland, like growing up, my dad used to say, oh, I'm just cooking a little fricassee.
Like this is my boy when he was younger. Oh my God, look at him. Oh, sweet
2 years
is
old.
that.
That's when we went to Jamaica when I first met him. Yeah.
He's so sweet.
He's still sweet. Look at him, guys. He's just playing on the floor. What you playing?
I'm playing toys.
You're playing with your toys. He loves his cars. Where's your new one you got today? Where's your new car you got today? Where is it? Do you know?
I'm playing with my toys.
Is it this white one here? Is this white one your new one you got today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And there's a white car and a colorful.
Yeah, the colorful car. Yeah.
And there's a white one.
And the white one. Are you getting hungry? You know what Mommy wants you to do? I want you to come pick up this Play-Doh because we're going to eat supper soon. So come pick up the Play-Doh for Mommy. Come pick up the Play-Doh.
Okay.
Good boy. Put it all in where it goes. Good boy. There you go. And then before we eat, we're going to get you to wash your hands. Yes, exactly. Always cleaning up. God love him. God love ya.
Hey, you know you're gonna make them crucify me. You're gonna say to me, I think you should not be cooking and cleaning.
Oh, well, what's the reason why they don't want you doing that?
I think the hot and cold, baby. You can get sick from the hot and cold.
But what is cold?
hot and cold.
Yeah, but when everything is hot, the pot is hot and this water is hot.
Yeah.
So where's the cold coming from?
Well, that's just my personal thinking of why they would say it.
Oh, but I don't know. I understand what you're
Or maybe they
saying.
want you to share the work with me, baby. I
Oh,
think that's how
I do lots of work, guys. Trust me.
you're not sharing the work with your husband.
No, I'm just enjoying sitting here watching you holding the camera. I do enough work. I like to watch every now and then.
Guys, she's a sweet soul anyways. She works.
Oh, I work.
The camera just not rolling when she's working.
Oh. Tomorrow I got a busy day. I will not be touching this camera tomorrow, let me tell you. I got a busy day tomorrow.
Hey, let's see.
At least everything is finished.
Yeah, exactly.
So. Babe.
What?
Oh my god, you always kill me, man. But
What did I do now?
nice. Lovely. Look at that, guys. Fricassee. Coming down nicely. Lovely. Ooh. Delicious.
And this is so good too. Oh my gosh.
Guys, so this is actually sweet potato, Irish potato. Yeah.
It looks like mashed Kraft dinner, but it's actually potato. Yep. My mouth is watering. Okay, let's sit down and eat. Are you hungry, Rajero?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Let's sit down and go wash your hands. Go wash your hands for mommy. Come on. And we're going to sit down and have supper, okay? Thank you. Show everyone how you wash your hands. Okay, good boy. Yeah. Now what do you do?
He's gonna wash the water.
Okay, and then you rub your hands together. Show mommy how you do that. Good boy. Yeah, on the back and on the front. Good job. Yep, yep. Rub, 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 and then turn the water on. It's on a little bit, but you can turn the water on more than that.
And dry hands. Good job.
Good job, Richard. Okay. My goodness. Look at that.
Watering.
No.
Taste from heaven, you know?
So what did you do with all the oil? Like that's...
I throw it off.
Oh, you threw it out.
Yeah, I
Okay.
throw it off.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give this like 5 minutes more and then it's supposed to be ready, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Can't wait. Guys, let me tell you something. I was brought up as a child eating supper at the table with my family. And it's been years, I'm telling you years, since I've been able to do this. And that's one thing I love about my husband, is he don't mind sitting at the table as family.
I'm very supportive, babe.
Because a lot of people just, you know, this day and age especially, just like to grab a plate, sit on the couch, watch TV, right? People don't like to sit at the table anymore. It just seems like, you know, just kick your feet up, eat while you're sitting on the couch or the chair watching TV. But One thing we do
It's a very good habit for Rajero to graft too.
Exactly.
My mom do it. My mom used to do it, but then you know the family kind of break away when we were growing and stuff. So you know the kids go there and there who went and live with their mom and who went and live with our brothers or bigger brothers and so forth. So then you know you have like one child in the household and two, and then it's like you know dinner will stop cooking and stuff. So you know, but. As a younger child growing up, I remember my mom used to do that too, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody's at the table and stuff, so yeah.
Yeah, so I'm excited about that, yeah. Okay, so he's getting a little bit for
Hopefully
Raj.
eat it off.
He should, it's so yummy. I wouldn't, yeah. Probably better to take it off the bone, but that's okay, he'll eat it. Give him some carrots.
Give him one more or?
Well, just give him that for now. Give him some Irish and give him some carrot and then see how he does. Yeah. Well, there's already potatoes, so as long as he gets some carrot. He'll love that. He'll eat that. Okay.
Papa Raj. Here you go, Baba.
Okay.
That's your food.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Welcome, alright.
So we're going to say grace. We're going to say, God, please bless this food, which now we take to do us good for Jesus' sake. Can you say that, Rajero? Bless this food, which now we take to do us good for Jesus' sake. Amen.
Amen.
This is enough for you, baby?
Yes, my love.
Alright.
And I want one thigh and one leg will be good for me.
Okay.
And some carrot and yeah.
Ooh.
Thank you. Mm-mm.
You want a lot of sauce in it?
I want carrot for sure. Lots of carrot. I'm a carrot girl.
Get back your eyesight, baby.
I need that vitamin A. Yummy, yummy. Oh my goodness gracious. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome, baby girl.
Wow. Wow. Do you want me to get you plating yours, babe?
Of course, go for it.
Okay.
Dumpling.
Oh, Daddy didn't make no dumpling for his boy. Not today.
No dumpling this time around, Baba.
No dumpling for you. Not today. Next time. He loves his dumpling.
Trust me. I love him dumpling, man. So guys, that's my plate. Yep. Bless this food almighty, make it nourishing to our body.
Yes, Lord.
Thank you for my wife. Thank you for my kid.
Bless the cook.
Thank you for keep providing.
Yes.
Bless the cooking here in my prayer.
Amen. Your
Amen.
precious holy name.
We're gonna
Thank
sit
you,
there,
Lord.
guys, right there.
I'm going to sit right here, yes. Okay. So let's see here. Maybe we'll get a little bit of us eating. We've been watching King and Shay eating. we're gonna I said, babe, we need to do more of us eating. Oh, excuse you.
Babe, turn the TV off, else he's gonna keep watching.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's try this.
Put your food, Papa.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
This juice is good, baby.
It's cranberry and pineapple. 100% juice. So let's try this, guys.
It's good?
Oh my goodness. It is so good. Thank you, Lord. Is it good?
Guys, you know when your parents cook fricassee on a Sunday, bring us back memories, eh?
Mm-hmm.
My mom for sure used to love cooking fricassee. It's like her go-to on a Sunday.
Wow.
So this brings about memories, and it's not a dish we have to do a whole lot. We just have to spend some time and get the right flavors. So this is really good, really good.
Yeah. Like everything you cook, babe, is so good. Are you able to get your chicken off, Rajero?
Yeah.
Want mommy to help you?
Yeah.
Here. Perfect. You're drinking all your juice.
Guys, today's the day I didn't feel for any rice, so I'm like maybe some potato will do the trick. So
Here, eat your potato and your
let's
chicken.
mix it.
We need some napkins actually. Can you get some napkins? Or I'll get napkins. Because you cooked. I'll get napkins.
Eat it, pops.
Here, Papa. Wipe your mouth.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. Guys, I read your comments about getting a thing for the stove for the top of it so we don't scratch it. But it's like, I don't know, if you put silicone on top of that, because most of the mats are silicone, right? If you put it on top of a hot stove, doesn't it melt? Like, I don't know. Like, I know it has to be pretty hot to melt silicone, but I don't know. It's not our stove, so I wasn't really worried about scratching it. Maybe when we get our own house and our own stove, I'll definitely 100% think about that. I'm not going to want to scratch our own stove. But maybe I'll get one and try it. I've never had one, so. But I've been researching them on Amazon, and people seem to really like them, so.
Guys, my wife was telling me that my doctor said,
Oh yeah?
our family doctor said my son doesn't resemble me, so I'm like, what? Is he really my son then?
I forgot to mention it to you guys earlier when I was vlogging. He said, he don't look like Akeen. He must look like his mother. He certainly has her eyes for sure.
You got everything for her, I think.
He's got a little bit of you. I can see some of you in it, but mostly his mom. Mommy put lots of chicken there for you, look. All kinds of chicken right there. You should be sitting right here where you're closer to Mommy. You're a little bit far away. So you want to put that on there? Put that on there.
Eat it, sis.
Okay.
I think he's eating it. Eat the bottom piece, Pops. Yeah, more meat is on the bottom piece.
And Mommy took all kinds of meat off there too.
I'm happy to see he's working it, guys, because he doesn't normally work. He doesn't normally take up his food and eat it like that, so I'm happy to see he's eating it like that. Love you.
You know what I really like? The flavor of the corn in the potato. Oh my goodness. It's so good.
It's like famous bowl.
Mmm. Oh my gosh, it tastes good. I'm getting some on me. I'm like a child. I'm always getting, look at this. Dress me up, can't take me nowhere. I'm excited to go to Vancouver. We're gonna try some African food. That's gonna be fun. I'm excited. Fufu. We're gonna try some fufu. Right, babe?
I hope we get some African food.
We're gonna try.
I want to see it. Like, I want to experience it. Guys, I work with a lot of Africans and they tell me about the egusi soup, the fufu, pounded yam, stuff like that. And they eat a lot of okra too, so the food is a bit slimy, so I'm a bit excited to see what's gonna take place. Hopefully we get it.
Look how he's holding it. Oh my gosh.
Eat the food, Mr. Good boy.
Yeah.
I shouldn't have took it off. I should have left it on. I thought it was gonna help him.
We're gonna work on it.
So yummy. You don't have to wash your hands, I know.
Eat your food first. Eat some food first.
When we go to Vancouver, I want to take him to the aquarium over there too. They have a huge aquarium over in Vancouver. I really want to go and take him.
Guys, I'm here what? I'm here since 2022. I've never been to Vancouver.
Yeah,
I've been to Vancouver, but just passing in the airport. I never actually come out and be over there. So
we live on Vancouver Island, so it's an island an hour and a half boat ride away from Vancouver. So it'll be Babe's first time seeing the actual city of Vancouver. You went to the airport, but that was it, right? He was going to come to the concert with us when I went to the concert, but it ended up being in Langley, not Vancouver, so he decided not to go.
that was good. Thank you for dinner, babe. You did a wonderful job. I just love it when you cook, Lovey.
I wish I cooked this good.
I just need a kiss.
I was gonna say, I love you too. So African food, I literally gotta take this up with my hand.
Guys, she's that creeping her out already. She gotta use her hand too. Let's hope we get to do that so you guys can see my baby. She's like, do I have to use my hand? I said yes, you got to use your hand. Well, that was good. That
Scoop
was
up
good.
your potato, babe, and eat it. It's really good.
Guys, my belly shrunk. I know I have a small intestine.
Not eat the potato.
Eat your potatoes, Pops.
Eat your potato. Show mommy and daddy how you can eat really good.
Eat 5 spoons. So we're counting. You have to eat 5 spoons before we take it up. So eat 5 spoons for daddy and mommy. That's half a spoon. That's not 1 spoon. So you gotta make 1 count. But eat some more. Thank you, babe.
Thank you.
You did a wonderful job. Eat some more, Pops. We still got... Yeah, that's 1 spoon now, so we still got 4 spoons to go.
I wanted to get my nails done so bad to go to Vancouver. But I have to, as soon as I come back, I have to lead worship. And I'm working on my set now, and I couldn't do that with long nails. So it's like, maybe I'll get
That's still 4 spoons.
some press-on ones or something.
To eat one more to make it 3. Guys, my son let me have to exercise patience, man. So I didn't know patience before I got him. But now this boy allow me to exercise patience. So I gotta be patient with him. Eat your food, Papa Dan.
He's just really picky. Like, he loves noodles. He'll eat noodles, no problem. He loves rice. He'll eat rice, no problem. But,
So you got 3 more spoons left now.
dumpling, oh my gosh. He'll eat dumpling, no problem. He loves fish. But, you know, he's not really a chicken lover, and he's not really a... I find he likes Irish if it's like hard.
Yeah.
But when it's mashed, not so much.
Oh, well, there's not much you can do with regular spices.
Well, let me see. Here, let's wipe your hands.
Wipe your hands.
This is the way we wipe your hands. Wipe your hands, wipe your hands. This is the way we wipe your hands.
It's early in the morning.
Early
Early
in the morning.
Open
Good
up.
boy.
Huh?
Good boy. Is that chicken, right? That was a piece of chicken, I think.
Love you.
I have you. Oh, oh.
Guys, that was an amazing dinner my wife cooked.
Daddy is so silly.
I can appreciate she spent some time and cook. No?
Here.
Always delicious, man.
I cooked last night, but we didn't vlog it. Come on, open up. Open. There you go. Chew that up. That's a big piece of chicken, but you got it. I know you do. And then we're gonna
Because you're putting on weight.
No, he's not. I weigh him all the time. I promise you. He's 46.9. He's not even 47 pounds. And he's going to be 4 in March. He's not overweight. His weight is right on the money.
Maybe it's my eyes blurry then.
I don't know. But put him on the scale. He's 46.9, which is really good for he's almost 4. That's really good.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I know. Even Jessica's like, Mom, I think maybe he's a little bit overweight, but nope. I Googled it. I'm like, is 47 pounds too much for a little boy who's going to be 4 in 3 months? And they said, no, he's right where he should be. I didn't ask Dr. Chitty today, but I should have. But according to Google, he's right on.
You eating a bit food, Pops?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
He's just solid and he's tall. He's solid and he's tall. But he's not, I don't think he's chubby. He's, guys, he's still in a size 4 or 5 clothes. It's not like he's in a size 6 or anything like that. He'll be 4 in March and he wears a 4/5. So, here, Papa. There are some pants that he wears that are size 4 that's too short because he's so tall. Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, that was a wrap.
Yeah, I got to finish my worship now. Thank you so much, babe, for doing this.
So guys, just remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and share that, and turn on that notification bell so you get all the recent upload. Peace out, guys. We love you. Blessings.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?